Hello everyone, this is Sudipto from Technical Potpourri and welcome to my new video. Today I'll be showing you how you can easily create a virtual machine in Google Cloud with the instance template. So without any further delay, let's find it out. Okay, before I begin, I would like to let you know that if you have any feedback, please put it in the comment section of this video, and finally please subscribe to my channel to get notification of all my upcoming videos. So now to understand why we need instance template. So Google Cloud Platform or GCP offers a variety of tools to you so that you can create your virtual machine. So one of the option is using the instance template. And why we need to do that? Because instance template helps you to create configuration and then use that configuration n number of times. Basically, you create a configuration and then use that configuration to create your future virtual machines. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create an instance template in your Google Cloud Console, then use that instance template to create your virtual machine. Okay, so here I am in my Google Cloud Console. To go to your console, you need to go to your browser and type console.cloud.google.com, and that will take you to this console page. Here you need to first search for instance template. There are a couple of ways you can do that. One is definitely in the search window. You can type instance template and you'll find that here. Or another option is like you click here, go to compute engine, and under that you'll find the instance template. So let me click here. Once you come here, you'll find this option of create instance template. So let me click here and then it will bring me to this page. This is basically the configuration page where you'll configure instance template. So first thing is definitely give a name. So I'm going to give technical potpourri instance template. One thing to notice is that the name should not have any space. So you can definitely replace the space with a dash. You can find out what type of machine you are looking for, what is the purpose of this instance template. Basically, what is the purpose of the virtual machine that you will create out of this instance template. For this demo, I'm just keeping it very simple. I'm just putting its general purpose. All this configuration you can do here, but for this demo purpose, I'm keeping it very simple. Again, I'm just going out with the default options here. The only change that I'll do, I'll click on in the firewall section, I'll click on allow HTTP and allow HTTPS. And then finally, I'll click on create option. The moment you click on create, you see your instance template is ready. You can click on refresh, but your instance template is ready. Now, the main purpose of the instance template is that it gives you a template and you need to use that template to create your virtual machine. So there are a couple of ways to do that. One is once you come to this page, you click on these three vertical dots and create a virtual machine. This is one way. Another way is you come to your virtual machine and here you click on create instance. Okay. On this left hand side, you can create your virtual machine, or you can use a template and create a virtual machine out of that template. So I'm going to choose the second option. The moment you choose the second option, you need to select which template that you want to use. If you have multiple templates, all will be shown here. So I'll choose this one and click on continue. The moment I do that, it will give me the option. I can change the name. It's definitely not the name I want because I want this to be a virtual machine. And then don't touch anything. This is already pre-selected because in the instance template, that's what I've selected, right? So now I'll click on create and it's going to create that virtual machine. Virtual machine creation normally takes 1 or max 2 minutes, but let's wait for the virtual machine to create. You can click on refresh and it will show you the status when the virtual machine is ready. Okay, good. You can see this green tick, it means the virtual machine is ready. You can go ahead and log into the virtual machine. To do that, you click on this SSH and open in a browser window. The moment you do that, you are basically logging into your virtual machine. So it's trying to do the login for me right now. I have a dedicated video where you can literally create your virtual machine from the scratch. I'll put the link in the description as well as on the top right corner of this video. Please go ahead and check it out. Okay, so I've already logged into my virtual machine. How I can check that? If I execute a command, who am I? It will tell me that, yeah, this is my name. I've logged into this virtual machine. So that's all you need to know. It's very easy to create virtual machines from your instance template. You can create n number of virtual machines, and literally you don't need to memorize your configuration, because all configurations is stored inside our instance template and you are basically reusing the template. One last thing that I want to let you know, if you are studying for any certification for Google Cloud, you create this virtual machine, but don't let that virtual machine run. Once you are done, go ahead, stop and delete the virtual machine, because it is going to consume your free credit. And as you already know, credit is very important in Google Cloud Platform. Once you lose your credit, literally there is no way that you practice new concept or practice new ideas. So it's better that you go ahead and delete the virtual machine. It helps in other way also, because if you don't delete that and don't use that, you are basically holding a resource which is of no use. It's better that you release the resource so that somebody else can use that. So the way to do that, you have this virtual machine, click on this vertical 3 dots, and first you need to stop. Once you stop, refresh, this status should change to stop. Previously it was green tick, means it is running. Okay, you can see previously it was green tick, now it's stopped. And then finally I'm going to delete this as well. So again, click on these 3 vertical dots and delete. Do the virtual machine delete first, and then go ahead and click on the instance template and delete that as well. Yeah, virtual machine is gone. Now I'll go to the instance template, and again the same thing, this one, and delete. This time I need to type delete just as a precaution, because they don't want somebody come and delete by mistake. So I hope this video is helpful. Please hit the like icon, please share, and also please subscribe to my channel to get update about all my upcoming videos. Till then, stay safe. Thank you. Goodbye.